Greetings, Dr. Noriega Valda. My name is Ciro Sosa, and here from Colombia, I'm going to talk about my recording activity to teach a difficult sounding English for Spanish speakers. So let's start. English pronunciation for Spanish speakers. English is difficult for the most of Spanish speakers because of the lack of some sounds in Spanish language. It means that there are several sounds who they cannot make. Objective. Students will be able to pronounce and identify a new sound in English language which does not exist in Spanish. On the other hand, they will know the difference in some letters which are written similar but they have different sound. Sounds that exist in English second language but not in Spanish first language. So the first sound is TH in English. In this sound, in this phoneme, there are two kinds of pronouncing. The first one is easier, is like TH. You have to take your tongue out, like this example is. Okay, this is a not voiced sound, and the another one is a voiced sound. It's a little bit stronger, like this one. For example, 3 father. Okay, so let's do it. The air comes out generally between the tongue tip and the top of the teeth, like this one. Okay, so here you can see the two kinds of pronounce this phoneme. The first one is it's an unvoiced sound, and the second one is it's a voice sound. Okay, we have here some examples. Both, math, think, teeth, and birthday. And in this way, the voice sound, we have the, this, brother, other, they. Okay, this is the phoneme, this is the word, and this is grapheme. These are some graphemes which we will have it in our last slide as well to explain something about it. Now we have some tongue twisters about these sounds to complete this activity. So the first one is I thought, or thinking you. John threw 3 thumbtacks. He threw 3 free throws. Lester Leather never weathered better. Okay, these are some tongue twisters which you can use and practice so hard as well to get better the pronunciation. Okay, here you have another 2 examples like thick and these. Okay, this is remember, this is unvoiced. Okay, thick, and this is voiced, like these. Okay, so next one, sounds that exist in both languages. Okay, both languages, but are pronounced differently. In this case, we have the letter R. Okay, in what happens in Spanish. So the big difference between the tapped or trilled Spanish R and in English R is that in Spanish the tip of your tongue makes contact with the tooth ridge on the top of your mouth, like okay, but in English it doesn't. For consonants like R, which are articulated further back in the mouth, visual diagrams can be very useful. Next, we have tongue twisters about it. Okay, if I got a date at 7:45, I'll see you at a gate, so don't be late. These tongue twisters are about the R pronunciation. Next one, Betty butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. But a little better butter will make my butter better. So it was very butter. Butter, butter. Near, ear, an early ear. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red. Okay, these are another examples like right, road, reader, deer, and tar. Very good. And this is IPA, okay, International Phonetics Alphabet in English. In English, we have consonants and vowels as well. This is monophthongs and diphthongs, okay. These are two pronunciations at the same time. And the red circles are which we have learned in word today. Remember, the first grapheme is this one, okay. It's a non-voiced sound, like, for example, think. And we have this one, this grapheme is represented with the sound th, like this. And the second one, we have words as well, R. Remember that in Spanish, that R is the R, okay? But in English, it's different. The tongue gotta be quiet as well, like R, for example, red. If you say red, that's a mistake, because this word does not belong to Spanish. It's an English word. That's why we have to say R, like red. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much, and bye bye. See you then.